Enjoyed the video. As always, if you do, like and subscribe to this channel. YouTube and my ball watch compadres. Let me swipe this over. I've got a couple different faces here that I'm able to take advantage of, and I'm using this app called Clockology. So download it from the App Store. It's absolutely free. Once you get it, go ahead and download Telegram and click on that little link right there for Telegram, and it is going to show you all of these faces that they have there. And it's super cool. If you click over here on the app right here, you can actually scroll down and see all the watch faces that they have. They've got a bunch of them. And let's say you find that one. I don't know why I picked that one, but you can click over here and say show in chat. And if you view in chat, you have it. And then you just literally click on this link right here. I'm not going to download it. Click on the up arrow and go over here and find Clockology, which is right there. And if you press that button, I can delete it later. So it's going to give you the Hermes watch face, and what will happen is, should take just a second here. Come on, there we go. All right, it doesn't think that it's open. Okay, there it goes, and it syncs it over, just like that. Super easy. I wanted to do this video underneath 1 minute. No sponsors. So again, Clockology, it's totally free. Make sure you download it. Make sure it replicates over to the app. And then once it's in there, one other thing that you want to do, someone's going to ask me, make sure you go to Settings, and under General, click on Return to Clock and change that after 1 hour. And what that will do is it's always going to leave your watch face up. And let me just come back here. And if you hit the bottom button here, I've got the Ultra, it will bring it back up. And of course you can slide to different watch faces that you like. I happen to like that one. Anyways, that's it for this.